Welcome back to today's video. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be quiet while the storm hits. But we got a very bad storm coming today. It's developed into a horrible, it's going to be bad, I think. Coming from that direction. Kind of see it. I'm going to be a little quiet. I'm going to be quiet in the storm while it hits. Because I'm a bit annoying. Sorry for the times I was annoying, guys. Want to improve on my storm videos. You can see the storm is coming. You can actually hear it. It's pretty bad. It's developed into a bad storm on radar. And it's right in our direction. I'm excited. Alright guys, get you when it gets here. You can see it approaching. I think it might be a wall cloud. I don't know though. There's a cumulus cloud. There's a lot of lightning around us. That's how bad the storm is.
For a limited time, get 2 pairs of them. They were both ranged through JD.
See, that's how bad the storm is. Pretty bad looking. Oh wow, it's getting dark. I need to go out there, give you a shot from outside. There's some cool clouds. It ain't picking it up on camera how dark it is. I'm gonna talk a little bit, guys. Not like too much. Just like tone it down a little bit. Tone it down a lot, actually. No need for that. It's gonna be cool. Beautiful clouds around me. Alright guys, alright guys, right back. We're about to have a lot of wind. There's a wall cloud. I love wall clouds. One of my favorite things. I think it's a wall cloud. This is like a line of storms that's forming. And that's like a, like I say, wall cloud. I think it is, but I don't want to be wrong. You can hear the wind in the distance. Doesn't sound good at all. I'd have a lot of wind in a second. It's amazing. Now shoot down. Wow, the battle flag. That was amazing. Guys, got dirt. That was cool seeing that battle flag do that. That was a lot of good wind. That's amazing. There it goes. Sorry about that, guys. Just acorns. Oh my. There you go, I got there and filmed this. Guy's roof getting torn off. Right when I stopped filming, that limb stopped a tree. Was nothing. Stupid acorn just hit me. So I'm standing on the cardboard. Man. Acorn hit me in the face. It hurt bad. I'm sure my lens is okay. That's okay. I hear a bunch of birds. Might see a power line. We might see a power line come down and get the arc on camera. That'll be neat. What does that? Crazy storm. Means there's gonna be a lot of wind when the rain starts to hit. That's what I'm fearing. This storm looks pretty horrible. Almost like a derecho, but it's not. I don't think so, at least. It's what's may play out to be. That. What in the world was that? I'm gonna go check it out. What in the world was that? Probably not safe to do it. I smell broken trees. Oh, the ladder fell. That's what it was. Alright, let's get back in. This is gonna be destructive. Look at all that snowstorm. It's gonna be destructive. I just texted my mom, be very careful. This is going to be bad. No, this is going to be a good storm to fly in. Maybe a derecho. It's going to be bad. Oh, it's raining too. Fly now. Comes. No, I feel better not talking. It's really makes the storm better. And this was a good storm. This is going to be. The wind's going to be crazy in this storm. This is a derecho. Might be a derecho. doubt it's a derecho, because it's not even that bad so far. But it's what it looks like on radar though. Man, it's onyx. But it's not that bad yet, so. Derecho has heavy rains, very torrential rains, so I doubt this is a derecho, but man, that's a bad wind. That was just a little rain band. There's my buddy. That's not a good sign. We just lost power before the big storm hits. It means it's gonna be a bad storm. We lost it completely. Must have been a tree falling on it. Oh, order closer. I think that might have been an order closer. Yeah, that's what it usually does. Unfortunately, guys, the storm is starting to mellow out now. Fortunately, where I'm at, it's starting to mellow out. It's stupid. Ugh. Wanted a bad storm today. I don't know, you can still get bad weather, but that was some good wall cloud footage, with a lot of wind. That's a, yep. Oh, if it gets bad in the storm, I will tell you and film it. It's raining now. Very calm.